Today we're gonna make a vegetarian soup. Vegetable. This is all the vegetables that we're gonna be using. Pumpkin, corn, chocho, potatoes, celery, mushrooms. Yeah, so we're gonna add seasoned salt to the pot of water. Just gonna put a tablespoon of sea salt to your water. Okay, now we're gonna start cleaning the vegetables, chop them up, chop up our pumpkins, chop up our yams, or corn, chop everything up and start preparing. Wash, cut, and then throw it into our pot. You're cooking with Chef Ardin. Okay, we just chopped the pumpkin. So we're gonna add the pumpkin to the water. Start getting that water flavorful. Nice. So we're gonna let that pumpkin just go and boil out and get the water nice and flavorful, okay? We're gonna use some pop chow for the greens. We have two pop chow. We have the green, and then we have the small pop chow. It's two different size pop chow, you know? Baby pop chow. So we're gonna mince the pop chow and put it in with the pumpkin. Now we're gonna dice the chocho with the pop chow and put it in. All greens are going in the same place. Cut the celery and put it into the greens. Chop up the celery, add it with the chocho. Now we're gonna add the squash. We're gonna chop the squash and put it with the greens. Chop and dice the squash. Okay, we just washed the relish, so we're gonna cut the relish and add it to the greens. We're gonna add the onion to our pot. We're gonna cut up the asparagus to add to the greens. We're gonna add the scallion to the pot, like the onion for the flavor. So we're gonna chop the scallion and put it in the pot, let it go and bubble with the pumpkin. Add the ginger to the pot for the spice. And you're cooking with Chef Ardin. We're making a vegetarian soup, vegetable soup, and we're gonna chop these. We're gonna mince the garlic and throw it in the pot. Get your garlics out, dice, mince, and throw it in your pot. We're gonna add the garlic to the pot. Provision our ground food, potato, corns, yams to the pot. At this point, we're just going to add all the greens that we chopped up earlier, that we're making a vegetable soup, to the pot. Get all your vegetables in. And just want to mix everything in, you know, your pumpkin, your greens, your ground provision. Get everything mixed in and let everything go and bubble. And you're watching Cooking with Chef Ardin, a vegetarian soup. Okay, last we're just gonna add the mushrooms to the vegetables. We're gonna start the dumplings. We're gonna make some spinners to go inside the soup. We're making vegetable soup. You're cooking with Chef Ardin. This is the dough for the dumplings. Make some spinners. And we're going to apply it to the soup. Yeah, the soup is ready. The soup of the day is ready. Order your soup today. Vegetable soup. Come get your soup today. Chef Ardin. Watching Cooking with Chef Ardin. Thanks guys. Thanks for all your support. Today we're gonna out there and we're gonna give out some soup. Yeah, we're giving out some container of soup. They have vegetable soup. Chef Ardin made some vegetable soup. And that's what they're getting today. Healthy vegetable soup. We need you guys to keep supporting however you can, you know. Every support counts. You're helping a lot of people that's in need, a lot of people that's helpless, can't help themselves, you know. If you subscribe, Chef Ardin's Rich Vegetable Soup. Please follow my GoFundMe below. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin. Your help counts today. Please help however you can. Subscribe, share, like. Help those in need, the helpless, people who can't help themselves. Donate to the cause today. Donate to the cause. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin, the #1 food channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin, the vegetarian soup, vegetable soup. Yeah, Chef Ardin.
Yo, Chef
Introduce
Ardin.
yourself.
TG. You don't know already how the thing set. Yo, one of my food, the other one food, family one food. Chef Ardin the person to link. You see me I said I'm having instructions and everything man up to follow. Food proper. This is about the 6-7 time I get food and we can't complain. You see me I said? Everything always hot and proper, tastes nice, you want to order again and again and again. So link up.
Yeah man, give thanks my brother. I'm Chef Ardin. You're watching Chef Ardin's cooking channel, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe now. Right now, not tomorrow, to now. Hit that subscribe button right now.